Okay, pretty much done. Just gotta wait till the storm gets closer. Anchor out in the middle. I know that don't look good, but it's just to protect my wires. A little extra coverage. But I've had people send me care packages and things like that. First one I found was a rope. Second, I'm gonna call it my oh shit package. So I will keep you guys up to date. Weather is starting to rain off and on all day, but we're doing good. Ain't that right, Tank? I'll show you guys inside a little bit. Pardon the mess. Got my big TV in there, everything kind of secure so I don't fall. Always good to have protection. Smaller TV. And look at that. Are you ready for it, Tank? Are you ready? Huh? You ready for the hurricane? Yeah, I got the camera on. What? Want to say hi? Want to say hi? You're not getting shy, are you? Okay. Messy, but I made chili, so I don't have to cook. So let's go out here where there's some light. Just make sure your neighbors are good. Everything's tied off. Keep you guys up to date when the weather hits a little harder. Just keep a smile on your face and keep your hopes up. Stay calm. Oh yeah, starting to catch a cold, of all things to get. Not fun. Don't know what else to say, just buckle down, be safe.